So everyone of you here has read about Lifeline board. हम लोग स्कूल में तो Lifeline, now you are not coming to school. So now your WhatsApp is your Lifeline board, and I want you all to whatever the information you collect about the careers of your interest, आपको जो भी careers में interest है उसका जो भी information आपको मिलता है, share it on the WhatsApp. And now we are going to, today we are going to make yes, Sumaya. So yes, Sumaya, what's your question? Unmute, you can unmute yourself and talk.
Ma'am, Ramesh sir is saying that please allow all the students of him, if they are creating any problem, please remove them.
Okay, okay. Right, we are allowing them in. Right. This Lifeline board, today we are going to make 2 students who are volunteer, who say that we have got great leadership skills, हमारे पास अच्छी collaborative skill है. तो हम लोग आज आप लोगों में से out of all the students, we are going to pick 2 leaders जो WhatsApp group में जो भी information आएगा आपके पास, जो भी students post करेंगे, you have to compile them all and post it in our Google Classroom or mail it to me, so that we can share it with the students in our next session. So until and unless आप लोग ये सब continuously daily करते नहीं रहेंगे, so you will not understand what are we going to do. So now let us see what is Jiva's framework. So I want some of you to read about the Jiva's framework. Who can do it? Okay, no, let me only explain this so that, you know, we will not waste time. We are going to have a career, हमारा जो career counseling program है, this was made by great, you know, I just wanted to tell you the history of a person who has created this. This was Dr. Gideon Alinumani and Sonali Nag madam. So they both have, they are from the NCERT. NCERT are the national, you know, curriculum board. अभी आपका आप लोग का जो भी syllabus curriculum जो develop जो board करता है national board, he belongs to that place. So this in Jiva's framework, Jiva's livelihood, उसमें what does he want to show? अगर आप उसका logo देखेंगे, the logo also has got, there is so many purpose and meaning into it. He says that Jiva's spiral. If you look at J of Jiva, it is in the form of a spiral coil. Coil की तरह है J. So that is the career has a beginning. So according to him, whenever you do start a career, it has a small beginning. आपको वो छोटे से beginning से you keep on developing into a big this you know career. So वो career always, so it is like a spiral. जैसे कि if you look at a rose flower, everybody loves, पूरे flowers में सबसे अच्छा flower rose लगता है सबको. क्यों लगता है? If you look at the way the rose petals are arranged, you know, they are arranged from a smaller one to the bigger ones. तो आप जब भी, until and unless your small steps, you are not good at your small steps, you will not be able to you know build up. आपका foundation जब तक अच्छा नहीं रहेगा, तो आप एकदम all of a sudden you cannot jump and reach to a stage. You need to have a strong foundation. That's what this spiral, J का जो spiral है, वो बताता है कि beginning may be small, but successive layers connected to the previous learning, examples are new information. उसको जो है कैसे अभी हम उसको new information से कैसे connect कर सकते हैं. I've given you a live example के पहले, you know, we were teaching you in the classroom with a board and chalk piece, and now all of a sudden we have switched to the technology. So this is one of the example of how the career, this spiral works. You know, you keep changing with the time and environment. And you can see that Jiva has used a specific colors, that is green and blue. So this green and blue color, J is, if you can see this color is actually blue. J, I and A is in blue, and you can see a circle which is green. So there is a purpose behind it. So the way I practice my career, develop from one challenge to another, not degrade the environment. तो मैं जो भी career future में I'm going to make my career, I'll make sure that it remains green. मुझे अपने environment को protect करना है. अभी today now we see that the coronavirus और COVID-19 जो हमारा pandemic से we all are suffering, the reason behind it is we could not protect our environment. We were so careless. हम लोग उसको कितना pollute कर रहे हैं हमारे environment को, ozone layers में हम holes कर रहे हैं. What all are how are we destroying it? That is the reason we are facing. तो आपको जब भी career choose करना है, you have to see that you make a career जिसमें you can keep the earth green and the sky blue. That means nature में जो ecosystem है, हम लोग हैदराबाद में you have seen so many floods coming up because you know जो place पे fish जहाँ पर हमारे पूरे lakes थे, that lakes were also you know dumped with the उसको dump करके वहाँ पर भी we have made houses. So we never thought about you know what will happen to the animals and the birds which were resting near those lakes, who were drinking water. But how are these all things who are protecting us? And if you see, you know, China mein what happened long back, you have got this in your 10th class lesson also. Sparrows ko they killed in China. So what all are the problems they faced because of that? You know, they were having a lot of, because of the overpopulation in China, they were facing the scarcity of food. So scarcity of food jab tha, to they were thinking that, you know, fields mein sparrows are eating away their food. So they killed all the sparrows in their country. So once they killed all the sparrows in the country, then they found that next year to unke paas pura famine aa gaya, unke paas pura qahat, you know, famine in the sense they couldn't, you know, all those people were facing scarcity of food. Then they realized, they did a research again. Then what they did, what research they did, they cut open the stomachs of the birds, sparrows. जो sparrows को वो लोग मार दिए थे, they started doing a research on that. They cut open their stomach and then they saw inside their stomachs there was no grains inside the stomachs. Instead of that, there were a lot of worms. Then they realized that these sparrows were actually eating away the worms that were there in the fields, and you know, they were on the other hand protecting the fields. It was actually the worms that were eating away the you know, grains. It was not the sparrow. So that is how, that is the reason your research has to be very, very, when we are talking about, you know, doing a research, you have to be very specific, measurable. You just cannot jump to a conclusion. And after killing so many sparrows, you know, they have faced so many problems. You don't have to just unnecessarily kill, you know, you have to protect your environment. We don't know, even a worm before killing, we don't know how is it going to protect and save us in this environment. ये जो microorganisms है, इनको खा लेते हैं ये लोग, and they were protecting us. It was their food. So the nature has made like that. So you have to research, understand things, and before that you just don't have to make a bum and blast it because you can make money out of it. But you have to look at the consequences कि आपका जो भी career आप बना रहे हैं, उससे how are you going to make an impact and change the society. Okay, so this mental tick is a mark that assesses an opportunity based on the interests and talents. Existence of an opportunity does not mean it must be taken. For example, you know, as soon as you are in class 10, somebody comes to your school and they say that you have got an opportunity to become a call center. In the call centers, you have an opportunity. 1 month ka you do a course for accent training course and join this. But is it going to make you a strong career? You have to think over it. Just any opportunity that comes to you, don't grab it. Money is not ultimate and it's not going to last, but your passion, your interest, your talent is going to last and make you a lifelong learner. Okay, face the barriers and obstacles. You may have some barriers, obstacles for achieving it, but you should be able to bear them, accept them, try, struggle, and achieve. Persist against the barriers. And changing and unchanged. What are the things that are changing in you and that are unchanging? अब think of it, सोचो कि मेरे अंदर ऐसी क्या चीज है जो हमेशा change होते रहती है. Like for example, interests are more likely to change than my aptitude. What are the interests? You are interested in doing something, and with age or with the experience or the opportunities you get, your interest may change. Okay, for example, you know, once you earlier you thought that I am going to, in future, you know, I wanted to be an I wanted to do my chartered accountancy, because you were exposed to maybe your parents or somebody, you got influenced and you thought that this is a very good career for me and we can do that. But what happened in future, after some time you met somebody else, like you met an IAS or IPS officer was invited as a chief guest in your school, and as soon as you see them you get impressed and you feel that no मुझे तो ये IPS officer बनना है future में. फिर एक बार कभी एक film actor शाहरुख खान was invited, you see and you say no मुझे शाहरुख खान ही बनना है, मुझे कैटरीना कैफ बनना है और करीना बनना है. Every time, you know, you keep on changing this. These are just the interests, but that is not your inner talent. But your inner talent is unchanged. So you have to check what are the inner talents inside you, which is changing and which is unchanged. So interests keeps on changing, but your talent and aptitude never change. And popularity of the careers changes. Know what is stable about you to deal with the changing world of work. So is it okay? Shall we go to the next slide? If you've got any doubts, we will be clarifying it in the WhatsApp group. You have to post me all the doubts, which so that on a one-on-one basis, we can get them clarified. Now here, as I was talking about, we are going to make two leaders in your group. One will be Jaya, okay, Jay and Jaya. So who wants to be Jay? Can you just, are you able to see what is written on the screen and can you read them? Sana, yes, very good. So Sana, I'm picking you as Jaya. So now from today, you're going to take a responsibility of Jaya. And can we get Jay here? Anybody who is interested to become the Jay? So Jay and Jaya will be the leaders who are going to monitor. As I told you, WhatsApp में जो भी career information, students को doubts रहेंगे, कुछ भी post हो करेंगे, तो you have to. Varalakshmi wants to be Jay. Okay, Varalakshmi, can you please switch on your camera? Varalakshmi and Jay and Jaya, Sana and Varalakshmi, please switch on your camera so that everybody will know ki who is Jay and Jaya. Switch on your cameras. I would like to see both of you. Varalakshmi, who is going to be Jaya? So switch on your camera. Only Sana, nobody else is interested in taking this? Yes, no, nobody's there, only except Sana, who would like to read what is there on the board, I mean on the screen. Sumaya, okay, we'll go with Sumaya and Sana. So both of you, please open your cameras and read what is there on the screen. So first, Sumaya will be Jay and Sana will be Jaya. So both of them will be reading. So you all have to listen to what they are saying carefully. Yes, please start. Do I have to unmute you both? Sumaya, please unmute yourself. I've given you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you can speak. And Sana, unmute yourself. So can you both speak and keep your cameras on and start reading? Jaya will read her and Jay will read his content. Yes, please.
Shall I begin, ma'am?
Yes.
I am Jay. I'm your friend and will be with you throughout the program.
And I am Jaya. I am your friend and will learn about career along with you.
Jiva is a career counseling program. It is mission to help you find your potential.
Know about the world of work and identify career alternatives and make a career plan.
Your Jiva counselor will conduct a round workshop with you.
Now, our counselor, do you all know who is your career counselor now? Can
Yes,
you name
teacher, you.
me? Do you know my name?
Nasreen ma'am.
Okay, so write down my name. Whenever you have got any doubt, you can write down my name and contact number because first of all, this will be very simple. You will be able to understand yourself. If you need any help, you can contact me anytime. So write down our counselor is Nasreen Fatima. So anytime you can contact me if you have got any problem. Yes. Yeah, continue, please.
Teacher Jay.
Jay has to, yeah. Sumaya, can you read? If it is not clear on the screen, Sana, can you please continue reading?
You will use Jiva worksheets like this one. Keep all your worksheets carefully. They will be completed into your Jiva worksheets at the end. Careers information will be placed in your library. You will also have a careers fair. A software to learn about career will be placed in your school. Now, exciting. We will meet your parents too. And finally, you will get a comprehensive report.
Okay, very good. So did you all understand kya hone wala hai isme? Now you have, because we are all online, you will get all this information online. You will have libraries in online, we'll have a Google Classrooms, but of course we will have a fair. Today, I'm going to share a link where, we are having career fairs, jahan par 60 universities throughout the world. They are coming in one place online. If you register, you can join that and enjoy that fair. You can go and seek at different places पे different universities में क्या क्या career options है, आपको किस चीज में interest है, and where you can join. Okay, so we will share all the links and it's very easy. With just a click, sitting at your home, you are able to see the universities. Michigan University of America, you can see Amsterdam University in Norway, Germany, and in India there are so many beautiful universities like Shaloni, Ashoka University, Shivnadar University. So all these university visits, you can go and see and kahan par interest hai aapko, you can choose your career. So in the end of this session, I'm going to share this link in your WhatsApp group. So please register and go and attend this career fair. You will understand what all are the different careers that are there. So now next, Jaya and Jay, please read out again. Yes. Jaya,
this board is for everyone.
Yes, please read.
This board is for everyone involved with Jiva to put up their views, their work, and their comments. Who is going to manage? Good question. Folks, you decide who will take care of it. Of course, your Jiva counselor and teacher will help you write down the name here. Lifelines manager.
So now your lifeline managers will be Sumaya and Sana. So they will be compiling all the information. आपके पास से जो information आएगा, they will compile and keep. And these sheets, I'm going to share it with Ramesh sir and all the other schools who are here with us in the group. So students can take a print of these sheets and maintain. जब हम आपका real aptitude और potential क्या है find करना है, तो आपके file में ये सारे sheets रहना. You have to go through it, do the work given. अभी यहाँ पर you have to go through these sheets and you see a column here. Can you all see a column shown here? Just in the chat box, right? Yes, we can see with the spotlight I'm showing you. So in this column, you have to fill the information, okay? So can you all see this? In the chat box, please put, and Sumaya, check the chat box and tell me how many of them say yes, we can see. Yeah. So please type in the chat box and you have to write जो भी दिमाग में आ रहा है. When you go through all these sheets, आपके दिमाग में जो भी आ रहा है, think and write here. Because यहाँ पर आपको दूसरों को copy करना नहीं है. You have to use your own mind and then whatever comes into your mind, you have to fill over there. And again, this is another sheet where we are going to talk about career preparedness. आपका career कैसे आपको career preparedness we are going to prepare you. Okay. So let me erase this first so that you can understand. So in this,
Yes, ma'am.
this is a sheet where you can understand yourself. How are you going to prepare yourselves? तो आपको अपने आप को खुद कैसे समझना है? So there are so many questions you have to read, go through it, and if you are not able to understand you can immediately contact. We will share the contact numbers of your Jiva Lifeline board managers as well as Jiva counselor. So you can on WhatsApp you can share your queries so that we can help you understand these sheets. When you are solving these sheets, if you are not able to understand anything, please contact us. I want Sana and Sumaya to post their contact numbers with the names in the chat box. And यहाँ पर क्या होगा, finally, you know, you will be able to understand your career and your future. So if you could answer all these questions and this tag, and what will be your think point after doing this, आपका think point क्या होगा, you have to write here and submit it. And there are 3 more questions, and tomorrow's session I'm not going to do anything. We are going to come back with all these sheets, and you have to share all the interesting stories that you have learned from the today's sessions. Then how do you think people in India, say 100 years ago, secured their livelihood? Okay, give an example of the mindset that influences the meaning of the work in your area. What is industrial revolution? So इसके बारे में आप लोग लिख के आएंगे, and tomorrow we are going to have the discussions where you are coming up with the beautiful, interesting stories, what all you want to share with us. So we will be sharing, recording it and posting it on the YouTube. So be well prepared, and you all have to speak in English only. Now you're getting a time to write all this and express your views in English. So
Okay,
see you all tomorrow, and all these sheets will be shared with you in your group. And then after you complete this, we will go for the next session, right? So
okay, ma'am.
Till then, take care, maintain all the safety precaution rules given to you, remain healthy, and see you all tomorrow. Okay, take care, bye.